Welcome to Top Capable Channel. Have you forgotten your iPhone passcode and you don't have access to your phone? Or is your screen showing iPhone unavailable? Don't panic. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 working ways to factory reset your iPhone without a password and make it brand new. This iPhone reset without password can be done with or without a computer, or with or without Apple account, and eventually, the device's passcode will be removed, unlocking the screen. Before we jump in, keep in mind that resetting your iPhone will wipe your lock screen passcode along with all current data. As long as you backed up your phone through iCloud or computer before forgetting the iPhone password, you'll be able to restore your data from the backup right after erasing and resetting it. Method 1 is the easiest and fastest way. You can reset the iPhone if you forgot the passcode without computer or cable. If your iPhone is running iOS 15.2 or later, Apple allows you to reset the iPhone without knowing the password directly from the lock screen, where it displays iPhone unavailable message along with the forgot passcode option in iOS 17 and the following updates, or the erase iPhone option in iOS 15.2 and iOS 16. Other requirements for this computer-free factory reset when forgotten iPhone passcode or your Apple account password, as well as the device being connected to Wi-Fi or cellular network. If all these are met, resetting a locked iPhone without a password is pretty simple. First, type in wrong passcodes until you reach the iPhone unavailable screen. Look at the bottom right corner and tap Forgot Passcode option, or Erase iPhone, on earlier iOS versions. Then, tap on Start iPhone Reset button if you can't remember the correct passcode. Next, enter your Apple account password to sign out of your account, then confirm by tapping Erase iPhone. Your phone will restart and reset itself to factory setting, which wipes everything, including the passcode. When done, your phone should reboot as a brand new device, letting you set it up from the scratch and use it again. If you don't see this on Device Reset option or your phone isn't connected to the internet, or even you don't know the Apple account, don't worry. You can factory reset the iPhone when forgotten the lock screen password by putting the device into recovery mode, and then restoring it using Appgeeker iPhone Unlocker tool or Apple's iTunes. We're going to explain below how these 2 utilities work for resetting an iPhone without a passcode when you're locked out. Method 2. Use Appgeeker iPhone Unlocker to reset your locked iPhone without the passcode or Apple ID. This is an excellent alternative to iTunes that bypasses any unexpected errors, making it straightforward to wipe the iPhone and the forgotten passcode, and fix iPhone unavailable error due to too many incorrect attempts. If you want a simplified process of iPhone factory reset with no password, go and click the download link in the description part below the video. Alright, open Appgeeker iPhone Unlocker on your PC or Mac. To erase the iPhone to factory settings if you forget the password, choose Unlock iOS Screen Mode. Then, grab an original or high-quality USB cable and connect the device to the computer. Next, the software prompts you to enter recovery mode for the reset in case you're locked out of your iPhone. The buttons for that vary depending on your model. Let's look at the most common method to put iPhone 8 and later into recovery mode. OK, quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and then press and hold the power button. Do not let go the power button until you see a computer icon and a cable pop up on your iPhone screen. After your iPhone goes into recovery mode and connects to the computer successfully, confirm the device model, and then click on Start Now button. The tool is now downloading the rightful iOS firmware for resetting iPhone and erase the passcode from the lock screen. The download may take a short while, so sit back and wait patiently. When done, you'll see the Unlock iOS Screen Confirmation dialog box pops up. To confirm that you're sure to factory reset your iPhone when it's locked without the password, click OK button, followed by Confirm Again button to kick off the complete reset. The process involves resetting your iPhone even you can't remember your passcode and removing the lock screen. After the erase completes, set up your iPhone again and restore data from an available backup. If during the setup, you're prompted with Lock to Owner screen, it means Activation Lock is enabled. You have to enter your Apple ID and password that were previously used on the device to truly unlock your iPhone. If you forgot the credentials or you bought a second-hand device, no worries. Appgeeker iPhone Unlocker also offers Bypass iCloud Activation Lock feature to let you legitimately bypass the lockout without verification and regain full access. Method 3 uses Apple's official recovery mode through Finder on Mac or iTunes, Apple Devices app on Windows. This is 100% free and works on any locked iPhone reset without password or Apple ID. OK, when you forgot your iPhone passcode or are stuck on the iPhone unavailable screen, grab your phone and turn it off completely. Then, grab a lightning cable and plug one end of it to your computer. Next, place your iPhone into recovery mode in order to restore the iPhone without knowing the password, which requires you to connect the other end of the cable to your phone and press a certain button based on your phone model at the same time. For iPhone 8 and later, press the power button. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press volume down button. And for iPhone 6s or earlier, the home button is required. Here, I use an iPhone 13 and need to reset it, so I press the power button while plugging the cable to the device's charging port. Keep holding down the button until the recovery mode screen appears. Now, go ahead to reset iPhone if you've forgotten the password and entered the wrong code too many times. Open iTunes on your computer. If your device is recognized, iTunes will you a pop-up window with two options, update or restore. Because you have to factory reset the iPhone that's locked and bypass passcode, you must click on the restore button. Follow the instructions to let your computer download the latest iOS software for your iOS device, followed by a full reset to erase the lock passcode. The download can take anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes depending on your internet connection. Just leave your phone plugged in and let it do its job. In case the device gets out of the recovery mode, just allow the download to finish, and then shut down the phone, re-enter recovery mode to restore your iPhone without the password you forgot, and get access back. Once the iPhone reset finishes, you'll be taken to the Hello Setup screen. Swipe up and follow the prompts to set up your device. When you reach the Transfer Your Apps and Data screen, you can choose to restore your latest iCloud or local computer backup if one exists. Otherwise, you will lose all your data and settings after factory resetting your iPhone, but at the very least, you can get back to your phone when you get locked out. And that's it, that is how you reset an iPhone without a password. If this video helped you get back into your phone when you've forgotten your passcode, drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips. If you ran into any errors during the process, leave a comment down below with your iPhone model and iOS version, and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.